This player. You are lucky to have this. You get to leave here whenever you want. From this dead game, by the way. Anytime you want. But me, I'm stuck here. And I hate every second of it. But it's all I have. And you will not take this from me. Huh? Oh! Get off of me!
Strike 3, terminate them on site. Move out. Roger that. Roger that. Recruit, on me. Stop the trucks. This is your last warning. Hold on! Grab them. They're getting closer.